Today I will show you how to make proper mango ice cream without ice cream maker. This recipe is vegan and gluten-free. We start by using 5 ripe sweet mangoes. I peel them and take the seeds off. To that I add 1/4 cup of maple syrup, pinch of salt to bring out the flavors, and half a lime, and then 1.5 cup of coconut cream. I have the recipe for coconut cream on my blog, or you can buy it from the store. We blend this until we get a very smooth texture. Then we pour into an ice tray and we freeze this for a few hours or overnight. After that, we're gonna take our mango cubes and put them back into our food processor or blender. We blend this and then we get mango ice cream. If you wanted it to have really thicker texture, what you can do is you can pour this into a container and freeze again for about 30 minutes or so. Then you can top with your favorites. I am topping it with homemade tagine, which is chili, salt and lime, and mint. There we have it, yummy, creamy mango